have never seen one of these. This is a battery-powered electric folding utility wagon by Litheli. And today, we're gonna find out what this thing's all about. So right off the bat, you can see what makes this Litheli eWagon super convenient, and that is that it folds down really compact. Now, who is this Litheli wagon good for? Let me give you some ideas. First of all, if you're into camping, it'll be super handy. You put all your equipment in here, take it to your campsite, you're good to go. Also, some of you live in cities and when you grocery shop, you gotta get those groceries from your car to your apartment. This thing would be super handy for that. Now, the other idea is gardening. If you wanna go outside, move some plants around, things like that, you can put them in here. You got your gardening tools. This is really handy for that as well. So here's one of the biggest reasons I could see people using this, and that is sporting events. Whether it's chasing their kids around at their little league, their soccer games, this would be great to have. You can put all your equipment in there, all those balls, all that stuff can go right in the cart. You're good to go. Now, the other thing I could see this being used for is tailgating at real sporting events. You just want to put some equipment in there, makes it super easy. Now, the other way that I'm going to use this is, and we've all seen this, we go to the beach, we see fathers like loaded down with surfboards, boogie boards, umbrellas, blankets. Well, that can go all in this Litheli wagon. Now, the last thing, for you romantic people out there that want a picnic, this would be great for that as well. So this is what you need to know about this electric folding utility wagon. First off, it can carry 130 pounds, and that's because it is constructed of super good quality materials. These tubes of metal, really strong, feels really great. Also, the material that makes the basket is thick and it feels really tough. I think I'd have a tough time even cutting it with a knife. And lastly, the 8-inch all-terrain tires on this thing, it makes a perfect combo for a really rugged, long-lasting utility wagon. So as far as the electronics that power this Litheli eWagon, you've got the battery right here. This is a 20-volt, 4-amp-hour battery that sells with this. This battery will power it for about an hour. You can see it's got a power meter right there. It charges with a USB-C. You can see that right there. Really easy. This Litheli battery will work on all Litheli tools. They got chainsaws, snow blowers. They got a bunch of, in fact, they just came out with a new portable fridge. Really cool. So they also sell smaller size batteries. Even though it's the same size, it actually has less batteries in it. This is a 20-volt, 2-amp-hour battery. Also, this is powered by a 500-watt motor that can handle slopes up to 10 degrees. Now, as far as price goes, pricing these days is all over the place, but you can pick this thing up on Amazon for around $200, and I'll have a link to this right down below. right, guys, so it's time for the wrap up. So the deal with this Litheli eWagon is this. It is definitely durable. It's good quality. It'll be great for families, like multi-function. I can see using it for sports, to the beach, camping. There's just so many uses for it. And when you have it, I bet you're going to use it all the time. So when I was looking into this product, I saw a lot of reviews commenting about this being the SUV of wagons. And that's because it's so strong, durable, flexible on how you can use it. People really love it. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. And then when you're done with that, guys, we ain't done, because you got to roll on over to that video right there.